quick commentary service which we implemented and arranged on a complimentary basis for about 2 months, and we realized that this is an important service to market, and we spent about and going to spend about 6 million rupees per annum, and we expect about 200 participants therein. At the moment, effectively we are running at a loss, but we foresee a good profit and a reasonable return for the investment we are doing, because it's very difficult for one person in an entity to know so many laws like Income Tax Act and rules, Federal Sales Tax Act and rules, Federal Excise Duty Act and rules, 4 provinces acts and rules, which are going to be 6 effectively if we account for Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, and 3 withholding tax rules. In Islamabad Capital Territory Ordinance, 2 workers welfare fund, which are going to be 6 workers welfare fund accounting for all the provinces, and there will be a Pandora box like service tax law. In the same manner, GIDC and infrastructure cess, which are going to be 6 provincial laws, just like a provincial laws, and we have to account for and be able to cater to that situation. Either develop your own department to cater to all the updated situation, or take this service as a quick commentary service. In the same manner, there will be Workers' Profit Participation Fund, since is about to promulgate that law. In the same manner, all the provinces will do the same. So it's better to take this quick commentary service as nominal charges. The more importantly, it's important to know that due to frequent issuance of SROs, circulars, clarifications, general orders, specific responses to the queries, and landmark case laws and important interim reliefs, and it's important for all of you to know the updated all these things as a updated status of these things. If you want to implement those and go for tax saving and avoid pitfalls, take this service, whose normal charges are 50,000 per annum per entity, which is 50,000 per annum per entity, and the discounted rates are available for a shorter period. As such, it's better to contact our contact person, Mr. Javed, as early as possible to get best possible discounted rates. All those services available in the market are basically updating services, and none is providing up commentary services. It is the only one service which is available all over Pakistan so far as the commentary is concerned, and you have to see as to who is giving the commentary. In few hours time, from all perspective, due to following, having 22 years experience with Ferguson, more than 3 years experience in industry, locally as well as offshore, with 8 entities, active role in Karachi Tax Bar Association, ICAP, ICMAP, and Pakistan Business Council, being a core committee of Pakistan Business Council, being an indirect tax convener of ICAP, and so on and so forth. He knows the industry needs in view of the record maker of high-level public workshops. Some of the valuable subscribers are Indus Motors, Gul Ahmed Group, English Biscuit, Swiss Southern Gas, Gatron Group with Novadex and Bonanza as talked earlier, Al Shahir, that's Meat One, Universal Group, Ilahi Group, Laxon, Fazil Cloth Mill, Chirag Cement. Big professionals of the big 4 professional partners are taking the commentaries on a no-name basis, and in certain cases we are providing them the services on a complimentary basis. Legal tax advisor like Abdul Qadir Maiman and certain other bar officials have recently taken these great service, and we hope that you will be a prospective customer shortly and surely a subscriber thereafter, after knowing the value of its service at a nominal charges. As per the requirement of certain quarters, we have added certain value-added services as our competitor was providing these services, and our customers and prospective customers were asking for this service, which others are providing and which our services were initially lacking. Accordingly, we have already started updating services for corporate tax law, which includes SRO notifications, circulars, guidelines, press release, and landmark orders. It also includes tax, corporate, and other business news clippings, which is being circulated in the very early morning, and you can see on your table on your computer when you switched on your computer and emails. If you have any question about any of our services, feel free to call our office number, myself as Asif Kasbati, at 0334 322 3163, 0334 322 3163. Thank you for bearing me with patience. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.